Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Now we will learn the verb in English grammar. This is very important topic in English grammar. The verb, इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं क्रिया. The verb is a word that expresses some action, feeling or existence. Verb is a word. Verb एक शब्द होता है that expresses, जो इज़हार करता है, व्यक्त करता है या प्रकट करता है some action, feeling और existence. कोई क्रिया, कोई feeling या एग्जिस्टेंस. एग्जिस्टेंस मीन्स अस्तित्व में होना. इट टेल्स अस समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. ये बताता है सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ जानकारी हम लोग को देता है. एग्जाम्पल्स, हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स. First one is lions roar. So what is the action of this? The subject lions roar. Second one is boys fly kites. Action, that is the boys are flying kites या fly kites. बोलते हैं I feel sorry. Here is feeling. Feelings is there. What I feel sorry. Ashoka was a great king. That is existence. यानी कभी अशोका एक महाराजा था. The words roar, fly, feel, was are main verbs. So in all these sentences, main verbs are roar, fly, feel, was. Now we will learn about the parts of verbs. Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are action verbs that require an object to complete its meaning. Transitive verbs are action verbs. क्रिया करने वाले शब्द होते हैं, verbs होते हैं that require an object, जिनको जरूरत होती है एक ऑब्जेक्ट की अपनी मीनिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Without an object, बिना ऑब्जेक्ट के the sentence will not be clear. सेंटेंस क्लियर नहीं हो सकता. Here are examples. In first column, that is sentences are there. Amy broke, she cleans, mom washed, the boy hit. But to complete the next sentences, the next column, some object are there. Amy broke the antique jar. She cleans the house every day. Mom washes the dishes. The boy hit his friend. इस सभी सेंटेंस में आपको ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाई देगा जो इस सेंटेंस की मीनिंग को पूरा करता है. But in first part there was no object, so complete was not, the meaning was not complete, not clear. But इस second column ऑब्जेक्ट ने क्या किया है, इसका मीनिंग को क्लियर कर दिया है. Amy broke क्या, the antique jar. She cleans the house every day. क्या करती है वो साफ, क्या हैबिट है उसका, हाउस को प्रतिदिन धोती है, साफ करती है. मॉम वॉश द डिशेस. मॉम क्या वॉश करती है, डिशेस. डिशेस ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. एंड द बॉय हिट हिज फ्रेंड. whom does the boy hit? Friend. So all these sentences are transitive verbs, transitive sentences. Now second part is intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are action verbs that do not require an object to complete its meaning. Intransitive verbs ऐसे एक्शन वर्ब्स होते हैं जिनको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती अपने मीनिंग को पूरा करने के लिए. However, intransitive verbs can be followed by a complement. हालांकि हम लोग intransitive verb को complement उसमें जोड़ सकते हैं जो जानकारी देगा, लेकिन वो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. जैसे एग्जांपल देखिए, I sleep at 8 PM. She smiles beautifully. They walk to school every day. He runs for 5 miles every morning. इस इन सब सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब के आगे जो भी चीज वर्ड्स और वर्ड्स जुड़े हुए हैं वो अब सब्जेक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. सो दीज आर इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स: स्लीप, स्माइल्स, वॉक, रन्स. Identify, now examples exercise is here. Identify whether following verbs are transitive or intransitive. So how we will come to know? If there is object, that will be transitive. If there is no object, only complement is there, intransitive. So in this sentence, I will bake this afternoon is what? Bake is the main verb and it is intransitive. Second one is I went to the department store. Here also went is main verb and complement is written, so it is not a transitive, it is intransitive. In second part of sentence, Alice gave me a book. What? Alice gave a book. So answer you can get what? क्या उसने दिया या क्या दिया? Book. So book is object here and so this is transitive. He is my favorite author. He writes really good books. What? He writes good books. So object is there. So it is transitive. Second part is his dog bit me, but I don't really worry since my wounds heal fast. The first part of sentence, dog, his dog bit me. So me is what? Object. So first part is transitive. Main verb is bit. Object is there me, so it is transitive. But second part, verb is heal and how it will heal fast. So it is intransitive. No object is there in second main verb. Some verbs can be used both transitively and intransitively. कुछ क्रियाएं जो है कि ट्रांजिटिवली और इंट्रांजिटिवली दोनों तरह से यूज किया जा सकता है. Here are some examples. आप देखेंगे कि जो वर्ब है उसको कैसे दोनों रूप में यूज किया सकता है. जैसे birds fly, verb is fly. The horse run fast, main verb is runs. The fire burns dimly, main verb is burns. Wood floats on water, the chair broke. And in second part we see that how main verb can be used in transitive also. So look here, some sentences are there जो उसी वर्ब मेन वर्ब को हम लोग ट्रांजिटिवली कैसे यूज किए हैं. जैसे बॉयज फ्लाई काइट्स. काइट्स आर मेन वर्ब्स आर ऑब्जेक्ट, सो इट इज व्हाट यूज्ड ट्रांजिटिवली. आई रैन ए रेस, object is race. What? I ran a race. He burnt his book.